टू हेल एवरीवन, हम तो अपना देखेंगे क्या जाता है, कोई पढ़े लिखे ना पढ़े, और फिर बाद में हम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते बोलते हैं इस देश का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। Though 65%, according to Indian census, 65% of our population is young, and in that 65%, these children are also there. If you will not nourish them, if you will not bring them up, our country can never progress. Obviously, we in the world, India is coming like a tsunami, but we'll have to make that tsunami come true, and it can only be done if these children are nourished properly. We'll have to nurture them, we'll have to teach them. The second thing is the sincerity problem. We do not have sincerity. One day I was watching news channel, one of the news channels, on the big success of Bhag Milkha Bhag. Mr. Milkha Singh was being interviewed, and he was asked that why we are not getting good athletes today, like you. He said, we lack sincerity. In a process, whenever you make such things, three things are involved. First is who is financing you. Second thing, the teacher, and the third thing is the student. If any one of these is not sincere, you can never progress. For that, we'll have to be sincere, because we'll have to look before them. We'll have to look towards their education. So sincerity is the very, very important thing. Now the third thing is that, which is very important, we all know that it is the infrastructure matter. I today also remember I was watching Lok Sabha TV before the general election 2009. Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav was delivering his speech in the parliament. He made a very valid statement, I must say that. In that he said, रोटी जमीन से नहीं छलकेगा, ना ही रोटी आकाश से उतरेगा, रोटी आएगा तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से आएगा. A country must have good infrastructure to be a developed country. Without infrastructure, no country can develop. And today, as you have seen in the photos, we do not have classrooms. We have asked many times for the classrooms, but we didn't get it. We'll have to teach them in the sun, on the staircases of NG block as different blocks. Infrastructure lacking. So this was another thing that we have as a problem. Now, what Swami Vivekananda said, we almost read different books and all, but we certainly do not follow them. Swami Vivekananda said, stand up, be bold, be strong, take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. And arise awake, not stop till that goal is reached. No one is following that. Lack of sincerity, lack of responsibility. These things should be made and should be nurtured in each one of us. Doesn't matter whether you are a professor, whether you are a student, or you are nothing. These things, if they are not there, no one can progress in life. In your personal life, you will not progress. देश तो बहुत दूर की बात है. At the end of my speech, I'd just like to quote one thing that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the European Union Parliament, he said, if there is truth in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the country. And when there is order in the country, there is peace in the world. I just like to thank all of you, all the on this podium, so that you may all know what Prayas is doing and what Prayas is going to do through a small presentation. Thank you.